Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix uh, not being able to comment problems in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first troubleshooting that you can try is to simply clear the cache because caching might create many problems, and to troubleshoot such problems is to delete or clear the cache. To do so, you will need just to go to settings, and basically you will need just to search for your app, and from here you will go to your YouTube app, and basically here we will find storage. So by clicking on storage, you will need just to simply clear the cache of your app. After clicking on clear cache, you will need to see restart your application, of course, your mobile app, and see if the problem persists. Otherwise, it will be probably some problem from YouTube, and basically you will need just to update the app. So to do so, we can just simply go to the Play Store and go to YouTube and see if there is any updates, and you will need just to update your application. And basically by updating your application, see if there are in the future they have fixed this problem if it was some common problem, because sometimes it can just be hardware problem or the device problem. So if the problem still persists and there is no updates and that you have cleared your cache, the last option that you will try to do is just to restart your device. So simply just restart your mobile and basically try again, and normally if there was no problem with the application, it should work and the problem should be fixed. And basically, otherwise, that means that YouTube needs to add or to do some updates for the app. Basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.